In this session, I am going to explain about basics of sol-gel method. This is a method of the deposition of the thin film. The content of these sessions are: what is the sol-gel, introduction part of sol-gel, basic principle of sol-gel, formation of sol-gel, advantages of sol-gel, disadvantages of sol-gel, as well as applications of sol-gel. So let me start with first, what is sol-gel? Sol-gel involves the evolution of inorganic networks through the formation of a colloidal suspension known as sol and gelation of the sol to form a network in a continuous liquid phase, which is known as gel. Regarding introduction point of view, sol-gel method, the emergence of the sol-gel process occurred in the year 1921. In the 1980s, its development was given due to the need of new synthesis method in the nuclear industry. Sol-gel processes is a chemical route need to synthesize glassy or ceramic materials at relatively low temperatures based on wet chemistry processing that involves the preparation of a sol, the gelation of the sol, and the removal of the liquid existing in the interconnected channel within the gel. Look at this figure. Metal oxides, how it is formed, sol and gel. The complete meaning, or we can say the process, which is explained in this figure. So we can say that from the previous figure, what is the basic principle? The process begins with the formation of a sol, which is a stable dispersion of colloidal particles or polymers in a solvent. From this title, sol gel, a gel is formed by a three-dimensional continuous network which contains a liquid phase or by the joining of polymer chains. In a colloidal gel, the network is built from agglomerators of colloidal particles. How the sol gel form? The formation of the sol gel divided in a three steps. First step, formation of sol. Second, formation of gel, as well as drying part. And last one is known as xerogel and calcination. And last one, it is known as heat treatment. Sol gel formation, when hydrolysis of metal organic reactant in an organic solvent results in formation of a sol. Second, gel formation. Condensation followed by polycondensation of sol results in the formation of the gel. In a drying step, it is nothing but removal of a pore liquid under hypercritical conditions. Upon drying, the network does not collapse and the xerogels are formed. In four steps, under thermal evaporations, shrinking of pores occurs and the xerogels are formed. In calcination part, during calcination, xerogels is heated upon high temperatures and the pores sol gel networks are collapsed and remaining organic species are volatile. In the last step, it is a heat treatment. By heat treatment, the material is saved in a desired form, such as films, fibers and nano-size powder subsequently it can be converted into ceramic materials. So advantages of the sol gel methods are various. It is a versatile method for the deposition of thin film. It is a basics homogeneity, less energy consumptions during this sol gel method. So these are the various advantages of the sol gel method. Also we can say that it can be carried out at room temperature. This is also the advantage. It allows us to produce a wide range of novel and functional materials with potential applications in different areas. And finally, it is really attractive compared to other methods due to the low production cost. Few disadvantages of the sol gels. Cost of the precursors is also a disadvantage. Shrinking of a wet gel upon drying, which often lead to fractures due to the generations of the large capacity stresses, and consequently makes it difficult to attention of the large monolithic pieces. It's difficult to avoid residual positivity and OH groups. And last, applications of the sol gel methods are protective coatings, thin film and fibers, optomechanical, nanoscale powders, and as well as it is also utilized in medicine fields also. So we conclude this session. We can say that sol gel chemistry is still in the infancy, and a better understanding of the basic inorganic polymerization chemistry is necessary in order to explore all the functions and possibility applications of the process. So we can say that sol gel process is a very attractive from the viewpoint to small investment and new functions.